Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
We talk about findings of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location on the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Room 28 of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Looking for more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking or booking this hotel, then you can let us by commenting. We will let you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any